Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the confusing world of corporate filings. Today we're diving into a Form 8K from Lazard Inc., a company you probably haven't heard of unless you're deep into finance. But don't worry, we'll make it interesting. We'll see if Lazard is living up to the hype or if their numbers are just smoke and mirrors. So what's a Form 8K anyway? Think of it as a corporate breaking news report. Companies use it to tell the Securities and Exchange Commission, and therefore the public, about major events that could affect their stock price. Today's news, Lazard is sharing their first quarter financial results from earlier this year, 2025. Let's see what the numbers say. The main point of this report is to announce their financial results. Lazard put out a press release about how they did in the first 3 months of 2025. We're going to dig into that press release to see if it's all good news or if there are some hidden problems. Okay, before we get to the numbers, let's be clear, this information isn't officially filed with the SEC in a way that makes Lazard legally liable for every single detail. It's more like they're furnishing the information. It's still important, but it's not held to the same strict standards as some other filings. Now on to the good stuff. Lazard released a press release detailing its performance. The press release is attached to the 8K filing. This is where we find the details of their results. Now let's step back and talk about Lazard a little. Lazard is a financial advisory and asset management firm. That means they give advice to companies on things like mergers and acquisitions, and they also manage investments for clients. They're not a household name like Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley, but they're a significant player in the financial world. So their performance matters not just to their shareholders, but to the overall health of the financial industry. I can't dive into the real financial numbers because they are only mentioned via reference to the press release, which is not included, but I can give an opinion. Lazard is a major company in its field, and it's important to keep an eye on their performance. Without the actual financial data, it's tough to give a concrete assessment, but the fact that they're putting out a press release suggests they want to control the narrative and put a positive spin on things. It will be interesting to follow up when the next filing comes out and see how it actually looks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives.